Club Mahindra Derby Green is nestled in the scenic Nilgiri Mountain Range, surrounded by meadows overlooking a race course. The resort provides stunning views and unique experiences, including bonfire dinners and themed nights, allowing guests to savor the local atmosphere. Coimbatore Airport is the closest airport to Ooty, with flights connecting major Indian cities. The Mattupalayam railhead, just 50 kilometers away, provides another travel option, including the iconic Nilgiri Mountain Train. Buses from Bangalore, Mysore, or Chennai are available. Taxis are accessible at the resort for a fee. They warmly welcomed us with a tilak and served refreshing Nilgiri teas, making our arrival extra special. Here's the buffet restaurant. We purchased an all-meal food package using the app. I'll be sharing our breakfast and dinner experiences later in this video. Our room comes equipped with a double bed, attached bathroom, tea coffee maker, mini cooler, dry kitchenette, microwave, room heater, ceiling fan, and a safe locker. Unfortunately, we ended up with a room at the back, and the bedroom lacks a window, leaving us without any view. The view of Ooty town and the racecourse from the resort is truly enchanting, especially under the night sky. While my past Club Mahindra resort experiences featured delightful and diverse breakfast spreads, the culinary experience at Ooty fell short. The food tasted average, and the non-veg spread was not as extensive, presenting a contrast to my previous enjoyable mornings at Club Mahindra resorts. On the first day, the room service was terribly poor. Despite multiple calls, we received only one towel. However, the following day, the room service was perfect. They also creatively decorated our room with a towel origami display. Similar to the breakfast, the dinner experience at Derby Green left room for improvement, with the overall taste being average. Derby Green offers ample parking space, but unfortunately, they don't provide accommodations for drivers. Additionally, they charge 50 rupees for a blanket. The Happy Hub at this resort is exceptionally spacious, providing a vibrant and joyful space for children to spend endless hours. Its ample size and engaging activities make it an ideal place for kids to explore, play, and create lasting memories during their stay. While our stay at this resort was average, our experiences at Madikeri and Virajpet were notably superior. Still, considering the unique charm, it's worth giving this resort a try.